My name's Amy, and we did a full kitchen renovation. We went from a small space and tried to imagine this space much larger to have our dream gourmet kitchen. The size of the kitchen that you see right now was absolutely not the size of the kitchen that we started with. We had a wall that provided a pass-through to the dining room. The preparation space was a small U-shaped area, and when we have our many celebrations here at the house and we have a lot of people, I used to get crowded in that little U space. But we, for many years, only had a 1-oven range with 4 burners, and it was our dream to expand that to 2 wall ovens and a 6-burner cooktop. And based on the design that we came up with, we were able to realize that dream. And also, not only that, we needed proper exhaust because we were upgrading our cooktop so that we could really fire up and cook some exciting things. We worked with Manny over at Creative Cabinets, and we told him what our thoughts and ideas were for expanding the kitchen, and based on measurements and the ability to have the wall come down, he laid out a design that was going to be functional as well as elegant and be able to house everything that we need to encompass our big dream gourmet kitchen. I would stress to anybody who is starting a major renovation in their home to slow down and really do your due diligence and to research. Come up with a few different design ideas, because as you go along and you change things like different appliances and you add things, you want your design to be able to be fluid so that you can still get your end desired result, but everything that you want can be accommodated into the plan. But I'd say really do your research on your appliances and pair it to your needs in the way that you use your kitchen and the way that you cook.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.